In this video, we will learn how to determine the probability of compound events. The events we're going to be looking at is rolling a number cube and flipping a coin. It says find the probability of rolling a number greater than 2 and flipping tails. The first thing we want to do is find the probability of each event. Thinking about a number cube, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The numbers that are greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is 4 numbers out of 6. Flipping tails is simply 1 out of 2 chances. To find the probability, we will multiply the 2 probabilities we got. 4 out of 6 times 1 out of 2. When we multiply straight across. So we're going to get 4 over 12 because 4 times 1 is 4 and 6 times 2 is 12. The last thing we need to do is to simplify our fraction to make sure our answer is correct. If we simplify 4/12, both of those numbers can be reduced by 4. So we get 1 on top and 3 on bottom. So the probability of rolling a number greater than 2 and flipping tails is 1 out of 3. To make things a little bit easier, what we could have done over here with the number greater than 2 is notice that the probability 4 over 6 could have been reduced to 2/3. So we could have also multiplied 2/3 times 1/2, gotten 2 over 6, and still simplified to 1/3. So notice that you can simplify as you go or simplify at the very end.